Good morning, Irhas. Nice to meet you again into the Zoom meeting. Have you reviewed the latest house design I seen last night?
Good morning, Dani. Yes, I have Opera. The design is good, but I think there I are so part that need improvement.
Thank you for your back. Which part do you think need improvement?
In my opinions, the said this design is too simple for a comprehension building. It does not fully reflect a modern style.
I see your point. I agree that the facade can be improved future. Do you have any suggestion?
Yes, we can add column element to make it look more dynamic.
That's a great idea. I completely agree. It will enhance the appearance.
Additionally, I think the carport layout need to be recorded. The red inside it envision.
I am not entirely confused. I think it already meet the minimum standard.
I understand, but I believe it can still be of a minutes to make VES easier for clients.
That makes sense. Maybe we can revise it slightly without changing the main structure.
Yes, I agree with that information.
By the way, what software should we ask?
I should I, I strongly recommend AutoCAD for the technical drawing because it's my very
I agree. AutoCAD is indeed very reliable for 2D technical drawing.
how however I am not sure if we need a 3D model right now. It's make takes too much time.
I'm afraid I disagree. A 3D model is important to help client better understand the design and visualize the building more realistically before construction.
You have a point, but our deadline is quite quick now.
I understand we can divide the tasks to save time.
How will that work?
I will focus on the 3D model using SketchUp, and you can handle the 2D drawing in AutoCAD.
That that sound like a reasonable solution. I agree.
One more thing, I am thinking of moving the main entrance to the side.
Sorry, don't quit art. I central entrance is more practical for the core of travel and goal. Good.
Alright, we can keep the entrance in the center.
However, that may increase cost and request structural changes.
Yes, you're right. I hadn't considered the cost.
No problem. Questions like this are important.
Maybe we can propose two options to the supervisor.
I completed it are the best option.
So, in conclusion, we will repurpose the facade, improve the carport, and divide the text.
Yes, start on project.
Thank you for the discussion.
You are welcome. See you in the next Zoom meeting.
Okay.